In this tutorial, we'll guide you through setting up motion-activated recording on your ONVIF camera using Banalytics video surveillance software. Motion-activated recording is an efficient way to monitor your property, save storage space, and focus on important events. Motion-activated recording ensures that your camera only records when motion is detected. Unlike continuous recording, which captures everything 24/7, this method saves storage and bandwidth by only recording when there's action in the camera's view. This feature is ideal for capturing specific events like package deliveries, people approaching your door, or cars entering your driveway. No need to sift through hours of footage. Only important moments are recorded. To set up motion-activated recording, first ensure the motion detection task is configured for your camera. Then, click on the motion recording subtask in the bottom right corner to enable it. For detailed instructions on configuring motion detection, check the link in the description. Let's dive into the configuration options for motion recording. You can set how the system should react if it encounters an error, enable or disable audio, and select where to store your recordings. You can also set the folder structure for storing video files, such as by date or hour. You can adjust the frame rate, which can either match the frame rate set in the camera's media profile or the frame rate configured for the video capture task. Additionally, you can set the bitrate, which can differ from the one in the camera's media profile. This setting can be adjusted separately for real-time monitoring and the continuous recording task, allowing for varying levels of detail. Keep in mind, a higher bitrate improves video quality, but requires more storage space and bandwidth. Filter by motion or recording time. These two parameters allow you to control when motion recordings are saved by setting a minimum duration, in milliseconds, or file size that must be reached before the recording is saved after motion is detected. If the motion duration is shorter than the set threshold, or if the file size is too small, the recording will not be saved. You can set the maximum recording time to ensure that each video file stays at a manageable size. Additionally, you can configure the pre- and post-detection recording time, allowing you to capture footage before and after motion is detected, ensuring you don't miss any important moments surrounding the event. Once everything is configured, you can test the motion-activated recording by triggering movement in the camera's view. The system will automatically start recording only when motion is detected. To view these motion-activated recordings on the timeline, set up the corresponding event in the Event Manager. This allows you to easily track and access footage based on motion events.
And that's it.